Learn to say I miss you in Spanish. If you want to express that you missed someone in Spanish, there are several ways to do it depending on the context and the level of formality you want to convey. Here are 3 different ways you can say I missed you in Spanish. Takes train. This is the most common and straightforward way to say I missed you in Spanish. It's pronounced te extrañé and can be used in any situation, whether it's formal or informal. Te eché de menos. This expression is a bit more formal and may be used in more serious or professional contexts. It's pronounced te eché de menos. Me hiciste falta. This expression is a bit more complex and implies a stronger feeling of longing for the person you missed. It's pronounced me hiciste falta and is often used in romantic contexts. In any case, it's always nice to let someone know that you missed them, especially if you haven't seen them in a while. Just remember that different Spanish-speaking countries may have their own regional expressions for expressing this sentiment, so it's always a good idea to do a bit of research if you're unsure about which one to use.